guys, today I will do my makeup in hotel. So I am with my family. Oh, so I'm taking this foundation. No, I need to put a cream. I forgot my cream at home, so I'm using this how we call that cream? Skin regimen. So I'm using this. She's my niece. So yeah. Okay. So I'm using this foundation a bit and using this foundation. This one is Marc Jacobs. So yeah, a combination. Alicia, look after the baby, please. So I'm doing a little dot.
So
okay. Okay. A bit of coverage because oh, we have a but today's Saturday. No, today's Saturday. No, yeah, today's Saturday. So the weather is not good at all. So I'm getting a bit not good. Oh my god.
So, hi. So, as you can see, she's my pretty auntie. She's the most pretty, fabulous auntie ever.
Ah, fabulous. Thank you. You think I'm fabulous?
And she looks like one of those actresses, like that they're so fabulous.
Which actress may I know?
Like, you know that actress that's so pretty?
Which one?
That has like a good skin?
I don't know who. I don't know who.
What's her name again?
Indian actress?
Yeah.
Katrina.
No, not Indian.
Katrina.
Kind of like. I'll tell you.
She did SPM.
Singer.
She's a singer.
Yeah, she's a singer.
What song she sang?
She's. No, it's not a singer. It's an actress that makes film.
Which actress? Yeah, American actress?
No. You know the actress that hair is so pretty, it's up?
I don't know. Every actress has pretty hair, honey. So I'm doing my, I'm using,
and also my
having
mom,
a little
and
baby.
Also my mom gave her this ring. Can you show them?
Yeah, that's her mom. Okay, so beautiful.
Please don't say the F word.
No, I didn't say. You're not.
No, you didn't.
No, I forgot my brush. Mama, don't put here.
This is called your brush.
Hey! Yeah, but I need. So a bit of contour here. I'm using my finger, so a bit of contouring my dog. I'm using this one. Your mom a lot of makeup. She didn't even take the bag. Nanny.
Don't mind her.
Nanny has her makeup bag. I don't know where.
Can I put your lips after? Because I know how to wear these ones.
Okay, I'm using this highlighter.
Wow, I really like your highlighter.
Because after
I really like your highlighter.
That's it, Dara.
So I really.
Thank you, honey. You're so sweet. Okay.
Can I
Okay,
put your
put
lipstick on?
Come.
So do you want glitter too? Then after?
No. I mean, you put this first, and I put the top.
No, can I put the top too?
Later. First this one.
So I don't. So you just do.
Okay. Oh, a bit of grace. Okay. You can go to do the nanny. Nanny is waiting for you, eh? Give nanny. Nanny, did you put your cream? Did you put cream? You need, Mama, tu bisa nak kau hidrato tu apa sek? Give this to Nanny or have Nanny to put this?
Nanny
First put the cream.
Mommy.
Okay, this is a final look. Oh, and this is a mascara. I use this mascara by Nars. Oh, wait. Oh my god, no. Oh, look at that, how pretty. I like this. I like this mascara. So beautiful. Look at my eyes. Oh my god, so beautiful. So yeah, we did that. And what we need to do? I need to comb my hair. So I use the blush, I use the topper, and now I need the highlighter. Okay, the highlighter I need to put a bit here, just to give the beautiful a bit. Let me see.
So we have to put it around the whole face.
No, here. 3. How you do 3?
So
Here.
So
I think I'm done. Yeah. Look at this highlighters. Oh my god, so pretty. Oh, my lips. Oh.
Do you have like this pink thing that you put on your cheek?
What? A blush? Okay, my makeup is done. If you can see, my makeup is done. So yeah, this is my final dress. Oh my god, look at this place, how beautiful it is. I really like this place. Oh my god, I feel relaxed. Oh. Beautiful view, if you can see the view. We are at Taormina. So yeah. So we will see you later. Bye bye.